Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thirsty Thursdays. Owner of Culture Shock Investments, Michael Clark here with you. And this week, I want to drop a few gems on the culture, starting with AI. AI is the hot topic right now. Everybody's talking about artificial intelligence, especially with Microsoft purchasing OpenAI's Chat GPT software, which you can now use right on Bing. I suggest we go ahead and play around with that, mess around with it, ask it questions, see what kind of responses you get, and start to learn how to utilize it as a tool to help you in your business or your personal life or your creative journey. But we have to mess around with it. We have to do our research and do our homework on how to interact with this software. All right, now let's go on to blockchain and cryptocurrency, which has calmed down and cooled down a little bit with the market, but it's still a high level of potential there, especially when you're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot of the bad actors are getting flushed out of the market right now, as you see with the FTX scandal going on. But in the end, Bitcoin and Ethereum will still be standing, and these are going to be the assets that I feel like we need to be invested in and have ownership in as a culture. So right now, the coins are still around $25,000 or below. Let's make sure we are tapped in and investing and learning about AI. All right, everybody. See you next week.